When it comes to revolutionizing the way we collaborate and interact in offices, classrooms, and conference rooms, one thing is clear. Technology can either enhance or hinder our productivity. But what if I told you there's a product that could potentially change the game by providing an unparalleled level of innovation, integration, and user experience? The TIBURN 65 4K UHD smartboard with auto-framing camera is more than just a smart whiteboard. It's a smart office solution. As we delve deeper into this comprehensive review, you'll understand why it's an essential tool for creating interactive, immersive, and collaborative experiences. In today's fast-paced workplaces and educational institutions, seamless communication and information sharing are crucial to success. However, existing communication tools are often limited, with separate devices for conferencing, video recording, and content sharing, leading to cluttered and distracting workspaces. Moreover, with remote work on a rise, it's become increasingly challenging to bring distributed teams together in a unified and engaging way. This is where the TIBURN 65 4K UHD smartboard enters the scene, providing a single platform that combines intelligent digital whiteboarding, video conferencing, and seamless content sharing. This cutting-edge technology empowers users to brainstorm more effectively, facilitate collaboration, and foster innovation, ultimately transforming the way we work and learn together. Let's take a closer look at the product itself. Upon unboxing, you'll notice a sleek and modern design that exudes sophistication and professionalism. The high-quality aluminum frame not only adds an air of sophistication, but also provides stability and durability. The display is an impressive 65 inches, providing ample space for visualizing complex ideas and collaborating in real time. One of the standout features of the TIBURN 65 is its advanced auto-framing camera, which cleverly adjusts its framing to ensure that all participants remain within the shot, even as people move around the room. This results in a seamless and distraction-free experience, perfect for presentations, meetings, and video conferencing. The 8-array microphones offer crystal-clear audio capture, allowing users to communicate effectively without the risk of echo or background noise. But what truly sets the TIBURN 65 apart is its innovative integration of technology and AI. Equipped with advanced sensors and algorithms, the device can adapt to various environments and usage scenarios, ensuring optimal performance and minimizing the risk of technical disruptions. Now, let's take a deeper dive into the features that make this product so compelling. At the heart of the TIBURN 65 lies an 8-core CPU powerhouse, combined with 128 gigabytes of storage and Android 13 OS. This configuration enables lightning-fast rendering, rapid data processing, and seamless multitasking, making the device more than capable of handling demanding applications and workloads. The device also includes a range of advanced features, including a built-in NFC module, allowing users to easily connect and share files, images, and other content across various devices and platforms. A Hall magnetic sensor ensures precise and accurate motion control, facilitating effortless navigation and interaction with the device. But what about user convenience and flexibility? With the TIBURN 65, users can effortlessly connect multiple devices, from smartboards and laptops to mobile phones and tablets, using Bluetooth or Wi-Fi connectivity. This versatility ensures seamless collaboration and communication across various ecosystems, platforms, and environments. In our real-world testing, we found the TIBURN 65 to be an incredibly valuable addition to any meeting room, classroom, or workspace. Its user-friendly interface, combined with the advanced AI-powered camera and microphone, ensured that discussions remained engaging, productive, and distraction-free. That being said, there are a few minor caveats to consider. Firstly, while the display is undeniably stunning, its 4K resolution may not be entirely necessary for all users. Additionally, the lack of a mobile stand may be a minor inconvenience for some users, but this is something easily addressed with a third-party accessory or a dedicated wall mount. Compared to competing products, The TIBURN 65 4K UHD smartboard stands out as a clear leader in terms of innovation, integration, and user experience. While some products may offer more basic features or lower price points, the TIBURN 65 delivers a comprehensive and immersive smart office solution that genuinely elevates the way we collaborate and communicate. If you're looking for an intelligent and seamless solution to revolutionize your meeting rooms, classrooms, or workspaces, we highly recommend the TIBURN 65 4K UHD smartboard. With its cutting-edge technology, advanced features, and user-friendly design, this product has the potential to transform the way we work and learn together. To get the most out of this review, we recommend exploring the product in more depth by visiting our website or contacting our experts to schedule a demo. Whether you're looking to upgrade your office, education, or conferencing spaces, we're confident that the TIBURN 65 4K UHD smartboard has the potential to unlock unprecedented levels of innovation, productivity, and collaboration in your organization. Don't just take our word for it. Experience the power of smart office technology today.